Have you ever wondered why Pringles don't come in a bag like other chips? The answer lies in a revolutionary decision made decades ago, one that would change the snack industry forever. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the mysterious world of Pringles production. The iconic cylindrical can that houses Pringles is more than just a packaging choice. It represents a fundamental shift in manufacturing. This decision, made by the creators of Pringles, had far-reaching consequences for both the product and the industry at large. The unique container not only prevents crushing, but also ensures the chips remain intact during transport and storage. As we investigate the secretive world of Pringles production, we will uncover the intricate processes and advanced technologies that bring these uniformly shaped chips to shelves worldwide. From the specialized ingredients to the high-pressure manufacturing techniques, our exclusive look into the Pringles factory will reveal the complexities behind this seemingly simple snack. The revelations ahead may change your perspective on engineered snacks forever. The revolutionary manufacturing process of Pringles stems from an unconventional origin story. What if the iconic snack wasn't meant to be a chip at all? The controversial decision that sparked its creation challenged the very definition of potato chips. In 1968, Alexander Lipa, working for Procter & Gamble, set out to solve common problems plaguing traditional potato chips. Consumers complained about broken chips, greasy fingers, and stale products. Lipa's solution was radical: create a uniformly shaped chip that could be stacked and packaged in a protective container. The key to Lipa's invention lay in the ingredients. Instead of using whole potatoes, he opted for a mixture of potato flakes, water, and cornstarch. This decision was pivotal, as it allowed for precise control over the chip's texture and shape. The resulting product was so different from traditional chips that it sparked debate over whether Pringles could even be classified as potato chips. This unconventional approach to chip making represented a significant shift in snack production. Pringles moved away from traditional methods towards a more engineered approach to food. The mixture, consisting of 1/3 water and 2/3 potato flakes, along with cornstarch, created a unique dough that could be molded into the now famous saddle shape. The distinctive shape of Pringles was not just a visual gimmick. It served a crucial function in the overall design of the product. The hyperbolic paraboloid curve allowed the chips to be stacked neatly, solving the problem of breakage during transport and storage. This stackability was essential for the innovative cylindrical packaging that would become synonymous with the Pringles brand. Despite the ingenuity behind its creation, Pringles faced initial challenges in the market. The product's unique taste and texture, so different from traditional chips, didn't immediately resonate with consumers. This led to the decision to explore new flavors, to attract a wider audience, a strategy that would prove crucial in establishing Pringles as a major player in the snack industry. The naming of the product adds another layer of intrigue to the Pringles story. While the exact origin of the name remains uncertain, it may have come from a patent citation by Procter & Gamble, or a street name in Finneytown, Ohio. This ambiguity surrounding the name adds to the mystique of the brand, reflecting the unconventional nature of its creation. While the origin of its name remains a mystery, the creation of a Pringles chip is a precisely controlled science. What happens when you subject potato dough to 4 tons of pressure? The result is a snack that defies traditional chip-making methods, requiring over 7 million quality checks annually to maintain its consistency. The Pringles factory operates as a high-pressure environment, both literally and figuratively. The production process begins with a carefully measured mixture of ingredients: 1/3 water, 2/3 potato flakes, and cornstarch. This precise combination forms the foundation of the Pringles' unique texture and shape. The dough undergoes an intense mixing process, subjected to 4 tons of pressure. This extreme force is crucial for achieving the uniform texture that sets Pringles apart from traditional potato chips. The high-pressure mixing ensures that every chip maintains consistent quality and structure. Once the dough is properly mixed, it's rolled into a long sheet. A rotary cutter then shapes this sheet into the oval chips we recognize. This cutting process is key to maintaining uniformity in size and shape across millions of chips produced daily. The next stage involves frying, a critical step in developing the Pringles' signature taste and texture. Each chip is fried for approximately 11 seconds in hot oil. This brief but precise frying time contributes to the distinct crispiness of Pringles, while helping maintain their iconic saddle shape. Quality control is paramount in the Pringles production process. The factory conducts over 7 million checks annually to ensure consistency in taste, texture, and appearance. This rigorous attention to detail reflects the brand's commitment to delivering a uniform product to consumers worldwide. One of the most intriguing aspects of Pringles production is the seasoning process. Unlike traditional chips, Pringles are flavored using a unique waterfall method. This technique seasons only one side of each chip, enhancing the overall eating experience. The single-sided seasoning contributes to the balanced flavor profile that Pringles fans have come to expect. The efficiency of the Pringles production line is remarkable. From start to finish, it takes about 20 minutes to produce a tube of stackable chips. This rapid production time showcases the streamlined nature of the manufacturing process, allowing for large-scale production to meet global demand. Pringles' efficiency in production is matched only by its global flavor domination. But as the brand expands its reach with over 100 flavors worldwide, including smoked salami and blueberry, questions arise about the sustainability of its packaging and round-the-clock manufacturing process. The secret behind Pringles' diverse flavor profile lies in its unique seasoning method. Unlike traditional chips, Pringles employs a waterfall technique that seasons only one side of each chip. This innovative approach enhances the overall eating experience, contributing to the balanced flavor profile that Pringles fans have come to expect. The single-sided seasoning allows for precise flavor control, enabling the creation of complex taste combinations that would be challenging to achieve with conventional methods. This meticulous attention to flavor has propelled Pringles to global success. With over 100 flavors available worldwide, the brand caters to diverse palates and cultural preferences, from familiar options like sour cream and onion to more adventurous choices such as smoked salami and blueberry. Pringles has established itself as a flavor innovator in the snack industry. This vast array of options not only keeps consumers engaged, but also allows the brand to adapt to regional tastes and preferences. However, the brand's success and global reach come with significant environmental concerns. The iconic Pringles can, while effective for protecting the uniformly shaped chips, presents a recycling challenge. The current packaging, which includes a metal bottom, cardboard body, and plastic lid, is difficult to recycle due to its mixed materials. Recognizing this issue, Kellogg's, the owner of Pringles, is actively working on developing fully recyclable packaging alternatives to address these environmental concerns. The continuous operation of Pringles factories, running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, raises additional questions about resource consumption and carbon footprint. This non-stop production schedule, while essential for meeting global demand, contributes to increased energy usage and potentially higher emissions. The environmental impact is further compounded by the global distribution network required to deliver Pringles to markets worldwide. Despite these challenges, Pringles maintains a strong commitment to quality control. As stated by a Pringles flavor expert, every one of our people know that if the chips don't taste right, they have the right to shut the line down. This emphasis on taste consistency demonstrates the brand's dedication to maintaining high standards across its diverse product range. The global success of Pringles highlights the complex relationship between innovation, consumer demand, and environmental responsibility in the modern snack industry. While the brand has revolutionized chip production and flavor variety, it now faces the challenge of adapting its practices to meet growing environmental concerns. The ongoing efforts to develop recyclable packaging represent a step towards addressing these issues. But questions remain about the overall sustainability of large-scale snack production and distribution. The Pringles production process, from its unique dough mixture to the high-pressure shaping and precise frying, has revolutionized snack manufacturing. This engineered approach to food production raises questions about the future of snacking and its impact on traditional methods. As consumer demand for novel flavors and textures grows, will we see more food products adopting similar engineered processes? The environmental concerns surrounding Pringles' packaging highlight the challenges faced by modern snack producers. Kellogg's efforts to develop recyclable alternatives reflect a growing awareness of sustainability issues in the industry. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, snack manufacturers may need to prioritize eco-friendly packaging and production methods. The global success of Pringles demonstrates the power of innovation in the food industry. However, it also underscores the need for balance between technological advancement, consumer preferences, and environmental responsibility. As we continue to enjoy our favorite snacks, it's crucial to consider the complexities behind their production and make informed choices as consumers.